we're using B, G, A, G, E, D, and these are all major notes. Okay, and what we do first is a full bend on the 14, and then we hit both the B and E twice. Then we do the bend again on the G14, twice again the B and an E, and then a pull off from G14 to 12 up to D14, and then to G12. And then we'll do that legato piece. There is 8 hammer-ons and pull-offs. At the end, we just let the 12 ring for a whole bar. So the legato part is over a whole bar, and then holding the 12 is going over a whole bar. Okay, if you miscount, that's okay, as long as it sounds good in the space you have. And once your legato is finished, you can also hit the 12 to get a little bit more oomph in that note, okay? It's really up to you, you can improvise that. It's gonna sound good because you're gonna have that backing track playing behind you, okay? All right, so that is lick 4.